How to make tomato egg drop soup like a pro. You can master it in just 5 minutes and make rich, flavorful tomato egg drop soup with fluffy eggs that never sink, even after a long time. Clean 2 tomatoes. Peel them. You can either blanch them in hot water or use a peeler. Dice the tomatoes. Cut horizontally without going all the way through, then vertically, also not all the way through, then dice them. This way, the tomato juice 1 tea. Lose too much. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add a few drops of white vinegar. This makes the eggs extra fluffy. Whisk them well until there is a thin layer of foam on top. Mix 1 spoon of cornstarch with half a bowl of water to make a cornstarch slurry. Heat a little oil in a pot. Sauté the white parts of green onions until fragrant. Add the tomatoes and stir. Fry briefly. Add 1 spoon of salt. This helps tomatoes release juice quickly. Add 1 spoon of tomato ketchup. Stir fry until juicy. Add water and bring to a rolling boil over high heat. Stir several times to blend the tomatoes into the soup. Add 1 spoon of light soy sauce for better color and extra umami. Now here, as the key step, pour in a little of the cornstarch slurry, a little at a time. We're only making a light thickener. This makes the soup richer and creamier, and it adds the secret why the eggs won. Key sink. The soup will be slightly thicker now. Turn the heat to low so the soup simmers gently. Slowly pour in the egg mixture in a thin stream. Stir in the soup as you pour. The eggs will float like fluffy cotton, so beautiful. Season with a little salt. The soup is rich and delicious. Turn off the heat and serve. Top with green onion and a little sesame oil. Your tomato egg drop soup is ready. The broth is rich and thick. Eggs are light and fluffy. And they never sink. Oh no! Oh my God, this is out of this world.